control statements. Okay, here I am writing the syntax for the multi-directional control statements. What is that? So there is two things: multiple if and if else ladder will comes. Okay, the syntax is if condition 1, 2, so on. Every number of conditions will be there. I will write like this: if condition 1, I will write if condition 1. Here set of statements you can write. Set of statements you can write. Else if, once again you are writing condition 2, set of statements. Else if condition 3, so on. You can write any number of statements, okay, like this you can so on, n number of else if conditions will be there, and finally else set of statements. Okay, so in multi-directional control structure, if condition 1 is satisfies, if the condition 1 is satisfies, then this group of statements is going to be executed and it come out of the loop. If this particular condition is not going to be satisfied, it goes to check the second condition. If this particular second condition is satisfies, then this group of statements is going to be executed and come out of the loop. If none of the conditions is satisfied, then else block of statement is going to be executed. You can also write if there is nothing is there, then there is no brackets inside like this. It is also called as if else ladder. If else ladder, because it is one way. It is the one way. It is one way. Another way is also there. I will tell you. Another way is also there. The way is if set of statements, else. In the else, see here, I am writing if condition 1, set of statements, else if condition 2, once again set of statements, once again else condition 3, else if, I am rubbing this thing, okay, else if condition 3, like this it will be go to n number of conditions. You can write a set of statements here, and else you can write a set of statements here. Finally this else is closed, this else is also closed. So this is also, you can also say it is a nested if. So I already given some examples in my tutorials. Please go through that particular programs. Okay, right now I am going back to the interview question.